guys, welcome back to my video. We are playing this game again. Okay, so let's do this. What? Now I don't have. We are pro, so let's see. Now it's line, jump. Okay, now there you go. Boom. Jump. So just wait. Okay, let's pause this first. Let's just pause this first. Okay, welcome back. So let's finish this. Bump, okay? Watch this. Oh no. I found this glitch. You can actually just stay on the wall. Okay. Let's jump. Okay. Not again. Okay. No. Come on. No, come on, man. See? Do this. Oh. There you go. This is so hard. Okay, this is so hard. No. What about I just practice and practice and practice? Okay, jump. Oh. There we go. I mean, let's reach stage 5. Okay. Now, boom. Let's jump. Okay. Okay. Now, let's do the sideways. Kailangan ko ng kapka. Okay. Now, one stage left. There we go. No! What? Bro, what? Okay, so this is a hard climb. Do this. Oh. Okay, come on. Yeah. Now, do this 3. Okay. Okay, there you go. No, I don't like. I don't like races. No. Finally, we reach stage 5. Like and subscribe. So bye.